Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we're at my client's garage again. Last time I was here, I fixed the laser eye sensor, and then it's fixed out. It got fixed now. So today we're gonna show you guys on how to program this. Today we're gonna show you guys on how to program this 890 Max remote. This one is the keychain type. So first of all, you need to go and then inspect the program or the learn key button on your garage door opener to see what color is the button. So the purple one, you need to wait for one flash on the LED on the remote. The red one, you gotta wait 2. The red or the orange, you gotta wait 2 flashes. And then the yellow one, you're gonna wait 3 flashes. And then finally the green one, you're gonna wait for 4 flashes. So we're gonna need to open the cover and then reveal that the color of the learn button or the program button. So we're gonna open this up. And then that is the purple button. So we need to wait for 1 flash on the LED on the keychain. So we need to press 2 and 3. The big one is the 1 button, second and third, okay? So we're gonna press 2 and 3. Wait until the LED flash. And flash 1 time, we're gonna press any other button. Now we're going to press the purple button. And then we're gonna hit the big button to open the garage. So now it just sync to your garage door opener. We're gonna press this button in order to open the garage now. Alright, so now you see the garage door has been opened. We're gonna shut it down. And then that's how you program your 890 Max. This one is the universal aftermarket keychain remote. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for the notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.